Find the point of intersection. Substitution method. Problem. Solve the following system of equations using substitution and verify your solution. 2x plus 3y equals 13. 4x minus y equals 5. Step 1. Number the equations. Equation 1. 2x plus 3y equals 13 and equation 2. 4x minus y equals 5. Numbering helps us refer to each equation clearly throughout the solution. Step 2. Isolate variable. We have two equations and we will isolate a variable from one of them. Equation 2 is the easiest to isolate because the coefficient of y is -1. Solve 4x minus y equals 5. So, -y equals 5 minus 4x. Next, multiply both sides by -1. So, y equals 4x minus 5. Step 3. Substitute and solve. We now use the expression y equals 4x minus 5 in equation 1. Equation 1. 2x plus 3y equals 13. Then substitute y with 4x minus 5. 2x plus 3 open bracket 4x minus 5 close bracket equals 13. Expand the expression 2x plus 12x minus 15 equals 13. Combine like terms. 14x minus 15 equals 13. This gives 14x equals 28. Therefore, x equals 2. Step 4. Back substitute. Substitute the value of x back into the expression for y. Y equals 4x minus 5. Now substitute x equals 2. Y equals 4 times 2 minus 5. This becomes y equals 8 minus 5. Y equals 3. Step 5. State point of intersection x, y. Write the point of intersection in xy format. Here x equals 2 and y equals 3. Therefore, point of intersection POI equals x, y equals 2, 3. Step 6. Verify solution. Verify the solution by checking both original equations. Check equation 1. 2x plus 3y equals 13. Substitute the values x equals 2 and y equals 3 into 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3 equals 4 plus 9 equals 13. So, equation 1 works. Check equation 2. 4x minus y equals 5. Substitute the values x equals 2 and y equals 3 into 4x minus y is equal to 4 times 2 minus 3 equals 8 minus 3 equals 5. So, equation 2 works. Both equations are satisfied, which confirms the solution is correct. Therefore, the point of intersection is 2, 3. If you enjoyed this lesson, like and subscribe for more grade 10 math videos.